G'day YouTubers, Dipstar81, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of the old toolbox. Been seeing a lot of these things on YouTube, and I thought most of the ones I see are all professional mechanics, technicians and all that kind of jazz. So I thought I'd give you guys a look at my home toolbox for DIY stuff. So what I've got is a Kincrome 9-drawer box with a flip up lid on the top. So I'll flip this camera around and I'll give you guys a look through it, So as I said, it's Kincrome. It's, you know, old and used and well loved. So it's the 9-drawer configuration. You got the three wider drawers on the bottom, and then you got the six smaller drawers on the top. And as I said, you got the flip top. So this is, I guess, the socket drawer, if you want to call it that. So most or all of the sockets here are Kincrome. So I'll start with the smallest to largest, I suppose. So down the front here we've got 1/4 inch 6-point, starting at 4mm all the way up to 13mm, and then that's in metric. I'll say it now, you got metric on this side from here down, and then from there up you've got standard imperial, as we call it. So like I said, 1/4 inch here at the front, 3/8 in the middle, and 1/2 inch on the back of this rack. So like I said, 1/4 inch goes from 4 up to 13, and then you've got imperials 5/8 through to 1/2 inch. If I'm not, 1/2 inch. Get back on there. And then so 3/8 starts at 8mm and goes up to 19mm. 19 or 18? 19. Yeah, 19mm. And then again, imperial 1/4 inch through to 3/4 of an inch. Again, on the 1/2 inch, starts at 8mm, 10mm. 1/4 inch starts at 10mm and goes to 19mm. And like I said, well, the 1/4 inch is all 6-point, and the 3/8 and 1/2 inch is all 12-point. So like I was saying, the 1/2 inch goes from 10mm up to 19 in metric, and then in sorry about the camera, in imperial it's 3/8 up to 1 inch, if I'm not corrected. 7/8 of an inch, sorry. Thinking of the lock. So that's all the normal sockets I've got. Then on the back rail here, I've got 1/2 inch U-joints. So we've got a couple of different ones here. We've got this one here. I like this one. This one comes from this is part of the Kincrome lock-on series. So it's actually got the lock-on on the side here. So I quite like that U-joint. And then we've just got the normal Kincrome one and a random one. I've got 1/2 inch to 3/8 Kincrome, 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch, and then we go down here and we have got spark plug socket from SK, 3/8 U-joint. Like I said, most of it's all Kincrome. Most of all my stuff's Kincrome. and then we've got 3/8 to 1/2 inch, 3/8 to 1/4, then 1/4 inch U joint, and then 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. Alright, so up the back here we've got, this is the Kincrome 1/2 inch lock-on socket set. So it goes from 8mm up to 24mm, and that's all metric. And then on the back row here is the Imperial in the Kincrome lock-on, and that starts from 3/8 of an inch, and this one goes up to 1 inch. This one goes up to 1 inch. So that's it for my sockets. I've got these random nut drivers here. Up the back here, I've got a couple of breaker bars. This one's Super Tool Premium, if I'm right. Yeah, this one's the, oh hang on, no. Focus. That one's Kincrome, and the shorter one, this one here, is Super Tool Premium. So, and then at the back here, I've got my 1/2 inch gear wrench 120 XP flex head, and then the 1/2 inch Kincrome lock-on ratchet. I like these because they got the, they don't fall off. And then down the front here we've got Kincrome double ring reverse gear spanners. These ones are pretty good. They got the switch, so you don't have to bother turn it over. And I bought this set because it's only 6 spanners and it's got 12 sizes. So you got 19, 17, 16, 15, and 14, 15, 13, 12, 10, 11, 8 and 9, 8 and 9, sorry about 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 17, 19. And up here we've got my gloves. They're pretty crap damn gloves, I wouldn't buy them, guys. They just split all the time. We've got a brake caliper winding tool there. So we'll start over here. There's a bit of random stuff in this one. So we've got the first drawer. We've got Stanley Fat Max Allen keys, couple of shifters, baby shifter down here, shifting spanners, bit of electrical tape, couple of plastic clamps, I don't know why I've even got them, a multi-tool, I just use that for the knife, and we've got a couple of sharp blades there. We'll go down to this one now. This one's a bit more random stuff. Got a couple of screws, nuts and bolts, tap tool, winding taps. We've got this is you've probably seen that if you've watched my other videos. You've probably seen me use this to pull the door pins out of my VY, the hinge pins to get the door off, so I could change the door. So it's just an eBay tool. We've got a center punch. We've got we've got a center punch there. We've got the other pieces. These are the other pieces to use with the door pin tool. Couple of pair of channel lock multi grips, whatever you want to call them. This drawer here. This drawer here is just wire brushes, paint brushes. We've got a few smaller ones. We've got a large one. Empty globe packet. Oh, there's the globe there. Globe for the Commodore. Couple of white brushes and something to bash on if I need it. Here we've got my ratchet drawer, the beloved ratchet drawer. So we've got the 1/2 inch Kincrome, the 3/8 Kincrome, and the baby 1/4 inch Kincrome, and then we've got Down the front here we've got the 120 XP gear wrench flex head, 3/8, 1/4 inch and stubby 3/8, Kincrome lock-on 1/2 inch extension, 1/4 extension, 3/8 extension and 1/2 inch extension. These three are all Kincrome wobble extensions. What we done that drawer. Over here we've got a couple of oil filter spanners, set of easy outs. I don't know what I got there, most of them are all broken, and a one-man brake bleeder kit, couple of U shackles there. In this drawer we've got, this is hooks and picks and bits. So we've got Kincrome bit set up the back here that came in the 55 piece lock-on set. So I've got security Torx here. I'm not exactly sure what sizes they are, guys. So and then we've got Allen's here. It's like 2mm up to 5mm if I remember correctly. And then Phillips in the back there. And then we've got the Kincrome magnetic bit driver there. A couple of random files in the bottom. GV Tools pick set, hook and pick set, mini hook and pick set, and then Toledo radiator hose tools there. On that one. So then we'll go down to the bottom and work our way up. So we've got the beloved pliers, just all randoms. We've got snips there. We've got just normal combination pliers with the wire cutters in them. And then we've got diagonal cutters, small 45 long nose, large 45 long nose, and hose pliers. Here we got the old claw hammer, good for whacking on. Trojan screwdriver set here. Phillips heads. Yeah, we've got flat heads, then Phillips heads, Phillips and flat stubby, and we've got one long Phillips in the back there. Beautiful spanner drawer. So we've got the Tool Pro 25 piece set here. It starts from 6mm, goes all the way up to 26mm in this drawer. So that goes from, on this rack it goes from 9 up to 23. We've got 24 to 26 down here, and then the 876 up the back there. Over here we've just got an extra set of super cheap auto combination spanners. And then onto the last drawer. This drawer is, we've got a wacky stick there, and then we've got the larger Tool Pro spanners here. We've got 27, 28, 30 and 32, so in place I can fit them. And then up the back here we've got the Kincrome lock-on 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. I have to get another rack for these guys, so don't know where I'm going to put them though. So I have to get a smaller rack, hopefully. I don't know, work something out, maybe a magnetic tray for up the back there or something like that, don't know, we'll see. So they go from 10, as you can see, up to 24 on the regular size, and then you got the deep ones here, that's the same size as 10 to 24. So yeah, anyway guys, that's just a quick tour of my DIY toolbox. Oh, we got up the back there the rotary tool, and anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of my Kincrome toolbox, and I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you did. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, Dipstar out.